Right now, in this video, I'll be showing you the FAQ, which stands for Frequently Asked Questions on the WeUseCoins website. As you guys can see, I will say top questions and score. This is the question and this is the number of the page. You have to scroll down. I will say last test question. Ask your question by clicking Bitcoin Stack Exchange. If not afraid, please click Ask. Find answers to recurring questions and myths about Bitcoin. Here is the table of contents of questions. You can click them to scroll to that page. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information, you can come to this website and find more by coming to the FAQ. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned the FAQ on the WeUseCoins website.